Hello, it's John, and we're on a bit of an explore at the moment, and as you can see there's the North Sea right in front of me. Absolutely beautiful day, so I thought I'd have a ride to the coast, and I'm actually parked on the King Charles III Way. And I have heard about this King Charles III Way, and it goes all around the country. So I've actually been on a little bit of it now. There you go. King Charles III England Coast Path. Marvellous. And it goes all the way around the coast. And I was reading about it, and something like 95% of people gave permission. Landowners gave permission, and the other 5%, or maybe even less than that, they just made a path around their land. So I think that's bloody marvellous. So I'm obviously on the coastal road, and Mappleton. Well, I've never been here before. And while I've been parked up there taking a couple of pictures, I have been talking to a couple of walkers. They weren't doing the whole walk, but they were enjoying the walk. And Mappleton, it is near Hornsey in Yorkshire. And it's a lovely little road for plodding about on, is this? Yeah, I've got all day to ride about on my bike, and I'm just out for a bit of an explore. And I thought I'd have a ride to see the sea. That Royal Enfield name, if you have a Royal Enfield and park it, you can nearly guarantee if anybody's passing by, someone will ask you about your Royal Enfield. Everybody's heard of the name Royal Enfield. The road surface down this road is pretty good, but I wouldn't like to be flying on it. It's a bit bumpy. So according to that sign, I'm heading towards Withensea. But I will be doing a couple of stops, I'm in no hurry. Sightseeing is the name of the game. Go wrong with the seaside road. I know. Well, I'm here and I'm gonna sit on these blocks and have some snap and just look at the view. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.